Hi, my name is James Diaz. Today we're going to go over 3 a.m. by Rosé on the ukulele. Let's get started. The chords are exactly the same for the entire song. That's great. 4 chords. It's the only chords you need to know. It's an E minor to a B minor to a D and then to a G. That's it. E minor, B minor, D, G. E minor, B minor, D, G. Now the strumming pattern that you're going to use for this song. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. That's the pattern that they actually use for their song. So the one I run to, take my makeup off and say goodnight to, the one I'm pretty talking ugly cry to, the world can roll their eyes but there's no use, I just want it to be you, and it's 3 a.m. So those are the 4 chords you need to know. That's the strumming pattern that you need to know to be able to play this song.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Oi, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the chorus. You can impress yourself.